Alright, I'm going to give you a demonstration of the software, that is the BENSH software, Bosch extract number, the software and hardware. Here, I'm using Tuner Visual to find more fast and organize my files. Let's zoom in. Here Polo, for example, and I want to see only my .bin files. There you go, I have my original file. Alright, let's take the opportunity to tidy up a little. So, my original file is over here. I'm going to slide it in here. So, it's going to extract the hardware and software numbers, as well as the ECU reference. So I can either copy everything to copy, and also to include the addresses. You can just copy and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet, for example. And then each individual number will be in a cell of my spreadsheet. The software's identification number, so I can copy it from there, and then look up on the internet what I can find. Here, for example, we have Ori, Stage 2, Kata Lambda. Okay. It only worked with Bosch engine control units, so if I happen to have one, a Bosch there, still Audi TT as well. MED 9.1, software, hardware, etc. So still in 29 languages, like most of our software. Delta Mod, Tuner Visual, CKX Check Express, DTC list available on Lebondiag-files.com.